How to use GroupMe. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, make sure that you have downloaded the GroupMe application on your device. Then tap on the application and open it. Now as you open the GroupMe application, you can have two options. So the first is sign in and the second is to create an account. Here I'm just typing on creating an account. So just tap on creating an account. You can create an account via email, Google, Facebook or Microsoft. I'm choosing Google and I'm going to create an account using a Gmail account. So when you tap on Google, you're gonna select an account that you would want to create an account with. Now tap on that and your account will start to create. Now tap on I agree to the terms of service and privacy policy. Just enable that option and then tap on create account. Now you need to provide your mobile number over here. Now as you provide a mobile number, it will send you a PIN just to verify you. Then just enter your PIN and upon typing your PIN, tap on verify and it will start your verification process. After that, it will lead you to the home page of GroupMe application. Now these are the home page visuals of GroupMe application. After that, what you're gonna do is we're gonna tap on get started, and here you need to just tap on your email address and use password and just create a space for logging in. After that, you need to create a group with a group name and add description. So here I'm just typing group name as X and then select an OK at the top right corner of the screen. And you can add members. You can add members via contacts or anywhere else, or you can even skip for a now. After that, tap on skip and there you go. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.